like I'm just not the best at vlogging, so I started to do my makeup. This is my outfit. This is my messed up room. I didn't even get a chance to show you a room tour, guys, but I'll try. But yeah, I'll get ready and then keep you posted, see if I manage to get breakfast. I just remembered to vlog. Okay, so makeup is done. I feel like I feel cutie, and yeah, so the tour guide's gonna come at like 8:30, so I'm gonna try and go downstairs, get water, maybe get a coffee, and then wait downstairs. So yeah, we've got a day ahead of us, so let's go and enjoy Nice. Let's go and explore Nice. This is my fit. I can show you. Like, I'm really dedicating so much to this vlog. I'm trying. Okay, I've got this bag, Primark dress, cider, sandals, peacocks. I think it's like a London fashion shop. But yeah, let's go and explore that. Not quite sure why my hair was in a bun. Oh, that's how you feel. But yeah, my hair is out now. I think it's super cute. Lip gloss, thank God, but I feel like today's gonna be really hot.
And as you can see, the white thing, that's the animal's fat. Normally we mix the beef and pork's fat, and the pickles was laid on by hand. So every morning before the sunrise, people collect the fresh flowers, and they change the pickles every.
Okay, now I can freak out. This is where the Grand Prix was filmed. Grand Prix.
Grand Prix?
Yeah. So I've literally just crashed on the bed because the tour this morning, the flight coming in yesterday, it's all hit me. What also hits me is my eyebrows, because how are they looking so nice? Yeah, so I'm gonna think about going to a beach later. I don't feel like I prepared properly for a beach day. But I may just go and watch the water, you know, instead of swimming in it. Yeah, I should be fine. And if I do find a beach, I will keep you guys posted. I feel like this is glitter instead of one of those gloopy eye things. I don't know what that is, but I've just enjoyed myself. Like, everything is so nice. I want to treat myself to a dinner later. Like, solo trips, let me sit up. Guys, solo trips aren't bad at all. Like, this experience has shown me so much. Like, what was I afraid of? Why was I afraid? Could that fear have stopped me from taking this trip? It very well could have. But I'm so happy to be here now. I'm so happy, honestly. Nice, Monaco, Monte-Carlo, beautiful. Is beautiful. I'm coming back. I'm coming back, not to get the villa, because I can't afford it. Like, some of these villas are hundreds of millions. If that makes sense. Like, one was like 700 million. But who knows, maybe a flat. Flats are more affordable here. Looking at less than 300,000 euros. So maybe one day, if God blesses me enough to, when God blesses me enough to have that. I can't believe I've done this. Can't believe you've done this. Anyways, I'm gonna crash some more, look at beaches to go to, charge my phone, recharge this body, drink more of my Lipton watermelon. Who thought of that? Because it tastes like heaven. It tastes like heaven. But yeah, I will check back in with you. Bye. Me forgetting to vlog again. I have 35 euros left in my budget after buying a very expensive perfume. It smells so good though. It smells so good. You don't even need much, okay? This is my outfit. You can see my cider dress underneath, and this is just a peacock top on top, and it's just like a full white outfit. It looks quite cute. So yeah, I have been looking at images of steak and chips. That is literally all I want, steak and chips, and that is what I'm gonna get in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. This is my outfit for now. My hair was up, but I think I'm gonna put it down because it's quite cute. I love that it's sunny here. The sun is so good for me. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. I'm not wearing the really